Whenever I go to Pondicherry,
This feels even more comfortable.
so this is the view. There is the
हाँ भैया अब नहीं है.
Hi guys, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here, and today I am out with my family. We are going to Eco Park. There is some fair going on, so we thought let's just explore this place. So I'm out with my mom, Nani, Nanaji, who's driving right now. I can't show you. And even here, Jeet is there. Jeet, hello. Hi. Hey guys, so finally we reached here and we are just exploring beautiful stuff here. Please ignore my face because my eyebrows are not cleaned up, as you guys can see, and this place is really wonderful because the items right here is making me feel crazy because I'm big into decorating and I really like it. So you know, this place is making me really crazy. Now I'm going to show you around, so yeah, let's see. This place is kind of huge and they have all beautiful decorative home decor items actually, and it looks so pretty. Just look at this right here. That shelf is actually perfect, you know, for keeping some jewelries and all. And here are some chairs. There are some owls, Pacha basically, and I'm just obsessed with Pacha and Pechi. And see right here. So beautiful. So beautiful. So there is mom and Nani enjoying. So hey, wow, just look at this. It's so beautiful. I think these are perfect for keeping in the balcony if you have a big balcony. I really like this color right here. And just look at this big Ganesh. And then there's some other stuff. Gornitai. Oh wow, just look at this chair right here. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Guys, look at these lights. I have one in my room and I have two more in my cupboard somewhere. I really love these lights. I'm obsessed. Actually, whenever I go to Pondicherry, I get these lights from there, and even they are available here. So if you are in Kolkata and you're watching this vlog, you can just come in day or two and buy these. These are definitely my favorites and I love it. Just see how colorful this is. I really want to have so many of them in my room. So you know, it looks amazing. And Ajit, we have one in our room. We should get some more lights. Henna? Yes. We really love these lights. Do you like them? Especially in the night time when you just, you know, want to chill out in your room with some good music. You know, like me and Jeet, mostly what we do, we listen to Imran Hashmi's old songs, right? And we enjoy so freaking much. Even you can try it like just a dim light and whatever music you like, you can just listen to it. I'm sure you're gonna love it. So, you know, these lights are one of my favorites. What am I doing? I took a goal chakkar from there to here again. Ah.
I think we should secretly go and have some
Bhel puri, right? Chal chalte hain.
No one must know this.
No one must know this, okay. Even they should not know this?
No, they can know this, but not everyone.
Not everyone, okay? Yeah. So we'll have some bhel puri chup chup ke and then we'll show you. Check this out, what's mom buying? It's so pretty, isn't it? খুব সুন্দর, বসে দেখো না।
So I think we must check the durability of this chair.
Yes, it, Jeet.
This feels comfortable.
It feels comfortable?
This feels a bit more comfortable. This feels even more comfortable. The final conclusion is these trees are same.
So are we taking this?
Absurd negotiation is on the process.
Absurd negotiation is on process, so we don't know we are taking this or not. I think I like it. I think I really like it.
Nobody cares if you like it.
Nobody cares if I really like it. Comment in the I freezed for a second, okay? Like, just comment down below in the comment section, so we'll get to know if people do really care or not.
Laundry bag.
It's so cute. It's a laundry bag. You know, I wish I could have a handloom kind of a house. I would have really buy these. She's even making this stuff. She's selecting some stuff. I don't know what it is. আচ্ছা, এই জিনিসটা কিসের? বাঁশের. Okay, this is out of bamboo actually, and she's making it. Just see how fast she is. To see how fast she is. She is making it really, really fast, and it seems like it's very easy, you know, but I'm so sure it's not that easy. So as I'm a coffee person, I'm having some coffee. It's yummy. And we are on the other side now, and there we have all the beautiful bags, jewelries and other stuff. So now let's see and explore what's here. You see how beautiful these handloom stuffs are. I'm just roaming around this place, and everything is so pretty right here. See all these jewelries. Chalo ma bagta.
কি জিনিস এটা? ফাইবার আছে 100 টাকা। ফাইবার? ওই ঝিলিকগুলো কত করে?
See this, guys, they are making rice powder over here. How cool is this? Okay, she is doing the thing. Okay, so they are making pitha right there. You can see. This chair is blocking our view, so I'm just going from that side now. So she is making pitha here, and there you go, as you can see. There is rice flour, there is some coconut, and this is the jaggery, and just look, she's making right here. Oh god, how pretty is that? Okay, so as you have seen, this is how they make pitha. And now it's going there. So you know, they can serve people out there. Everyone is buying pitha there. So this is the view. There is the rice flour getting converted from the rice, and then she is making the pitha right here, and then they are selling it over here. So as you can see, the crowd right there. So this is how pitha is made. Now honestly, I'm not a big fan of pitha, so I'm not trying it because I don't have a sweet tooth. But yeah, I showed you the process, and this is so beautiful. Like, today coming here was really worth, and I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. And if you are enjoying, please comment down below in the comment section below. You want to have some pitha, mom? No? Okay, it's taking time. So my nani, she's taking some, I guess. Dekhchi to, prochur log. As you can see, nobody is interested how they are making it, but you know, people just want to eat pitha, and I got the opportunity of filming how they are making it, and I think it's one of the best thing I have shot today. So guys, see, this is the pitha. This is the malpua, and then there's some other pithas over there. I wish I could give you some good view, but this is what I have got. This is some sort of pitha. I don't know which pitha is this, but it looks very pretty. It looks like dosa basically. Maita ki pitha? Eta? So this is called Pati Shapta, and it has some like filling in the middle, and
So there we find the Bhel Puri shop right there. And then this lady over there is going to have from there. Come on, let's head over to the Bhel Puri wala.
Yes, come. Finally we sneaked out, and we are going to have Bhel Puri. Mom is doing some boring stuff there. So let's go and have some Bhel Puri.
Yeah, that place seems to be empty. Ha ha ha. Come from this way.
Yeah. So plan got cancelled. We are going to have papri chaat, not Bhel
Yes.
Puri. Okay, Bhel Puri, papri chaat.
अंकल
हाँ बोलिए
और एक टिश्यू पेपर दो
अब नहीं है
So there you go. Jeet, taste and tell us, how is it?
So I'll be reviewing this.
Yes, you'll be reviewing it.
हेलो बक्सी
You like it?
हेलो बक्सी ना
That's for me?
Yes.
Now you have it. I'm done. I'm so full after that. What we have? Kachori. It was a ghar ka type kachori, so you know, we just wanted to change our taste. Actually first we thought having bhel puri, and then what happened, my nani, she found this place where they were making ghar ka kachori and all that, so she wanted to try it. It tasted too much ghar ka, so we just wanted to change our taste, and so we are having this, which is really yummy. And look at Jeet, he's not even saying anything. He's so like into this bhel puri. Hey, look. Did you zoom this in? Just look at this boy.
Stop filming me.
Now we are again heading towards where my nani and mom is there. So finally had camera. I don't know what's happening. Thank you, Jeet, for helping. Thank you. Okay, so now we are again going back. We'll see you in some time again. Just see this, guys. When your brother is like your father in crowd. How cute. Henna, Jeet? What are we looking for, bro?
Counter number 6.
Counter number 4 is there. Here, this side. See guys, how cute those dolls are. Aww, so cute. So guys, we are sitting here somewhere, I don't know where, but I'm so tired now after roaming from
We are sitting in stall number 6.
From 3.5 hours we are just roaming here. Please ghar chalna.
So this is the last place. I mean, this is the last shop they have checked in, and
They're taking like
I don't
zillion hours to select something.
And within the next 10-15 minutes, I think we'll leave from here. So we are ending the vlog here.
Are we ending this vlog here? Let's see. If we are not ending this vlog here, then we'll continue. But if we are ending here, so yeah, that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, and even like this video if you enjoyed. So this was my first vlog for 2019, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So finally guys, we are leaving. Finally we are leaving, and yeah, so finally guys, we are going home, and this was a nice day. Let us know. Yeah, it was a little tiring, but then we enjoyed. And let me know in the comment section below if you enjoyed this vlog. And that's it for today's video. So we are just leaving. And see this. I don't know what mom was showing, but there you go. I think this is the one which she was talking about. Chota wala mini bar, and this is so cute. So